switch off from it. And it made me ill to the point where I thought, I've got to get out of this. Everyone was worried about me. My mum was worried about me. My marriage was coming to an end at that point. And I just thought, I've got to get out. Can't do this.
Was your
forever.
friends as well saying to you, look, Hayley, you need to, or, you know, you've got good friends around you?
Yeah. I don't think I ever really
open up. Did you not
opened up that much to them? But since I
because
have,
you were in the because
it's like, you know, when you're going through the motions, you're just going through it, aren't you? It's not like you're thinking, oh, I need to talk to someone about this. And I definitely hadn't had any sort of therapy then, so I didn't know what to do.
Right.
But since like now, I'd know what to do. But back then, I was just sort of like lost.
How was it that you found therapy? But was that just?
I had to. I needed some help. I was like, this is not
Did
normal.
someone put you onto it, or did you just?
I went to the doctors. And they put me they just gave me like an NHS external thing that you had to self-refer to.